Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome and thank you for joining us today. I am excited to present our simple yet effective bank management system. This project is designed to provide a streamlined and user-friendly way to manage bank accounts and transactions. To start, let me give you a brief overview of our bank management system. It's a command line application built with Python that allows users to perform essential banking operations. The system includes functionalities for creating accounts, authenticating users, and managing transactions such as deposits and withdrawals. Additionally, it maintains a transaction history and can generate account statements, ensuring all your banking needs are met efficiently. So let's start by creating a new account. As you can see, there are three options: create account, login, and exit. So we will create a new account to check all the validities and verify our account. We will enter option 1 to create a new account. As you can see, it asks for account number. For example, we will enter 567. Enter owner name. As it says, enter owner name. We will enter the owner name, for example, Khalid. Enter username. As you can see, it asks to enter username. Username is the complete name of the owner name. So we will enter Khalid Mahmood. Enter password. As you can see, it asks to enter password. We will enter a password for example 33456. Account has been created for Khalid. As you can see, we have created an account, so we will log in to our previously created account. By entering option 2, we will log in to our account. Enter username. As you can see, username was Khalid Mahmood. Enter password. Password was 33456. Enter account number. Account number was 567. As you can see, we have logged in to our account named by Khalid Mahmood. There are 6 options to validate our account, to facilitate our account, which are deposit money, withdraw money, check balance, view transaction history, generate account statement, and last logout. So we will check all the options one by one, step by step. So first we will check for deposit money option, as we can deposit some money to our account. We will enter option 1 to deposit money. As you can see, it asks for amount to deposit. For example, we will deposit an amount of $1,000. The deposit has been successful. Now we will check our second option, which is withdraw money. We will enter the option 2 to check withdraw money option. Enter amount to withdraw. So we will enter an amount of $500 to withdraw. Withdraw successful. Alhamdulillah, our withdrawal has been successful. So we will check the third option, which is check balance. Check balance is the amount of money remaining in your account after the withdrawal. So we will enter option 3 to check balance. As you can see, the current balance is $500. We had deposited an amount of $1,000 and withdrawal an amount of $500. So the remaining balance is $500. So the check balance option is working successfully. Now we will move to our fourth option, view transaction history. In transaction history, we will check the amount of deposited, the amount of withdrawal. So we will enter option 4, transaction history. The transaction history has been given. As you can see, the deposited amount was $1,000 and the withdrawn amount was $500. It gives our transaction history successfully. So next we will move to option 5, which is generating account statement. Generating account statement, it is an option to give you a validation check to our account holder by mentioning his name, by mentioning his deposited money, by mentioning his withdrawal money, and last but not the least, by mentioning its balance. So we will enter the option 5 to check the balance of our account, check the account statement. So we will enter the, as you can see, the account statement for Khalid has been printed. Account number was 567, balance was $500. Transaction history is given. As you can see, we have previously deposited an amount of $1,000 and withdrawn an amount of $500, and the balance remaining is $500. The account number was 567 and the account statement is for Khalid. This option is added for security check and user authentication. So next we will move to the next option, which is log out. So as you can see, we have logged out from account, and we will move to the next option, exit, as we have checked all these options successfully. So we will enter the option 3 to exit the application. The system has been exited successfully. Goodbye. It says goodbye to all of you. Thank you for watching my video. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.